Good morning children. Already we discussed about operations on measurements. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication at the same time, division also. They given in exercise 4.3 in first Roman, add the following metric measures and write the sum in both the ways. First you add that given units. Later you convert into what is the standard unit of length, meter, what is the standard unit of weight, gram, what is the standard unit of capacity, liter. After completion of that solving the sum, you have to convert the given units into standard units. Do you understand that? Let us do that exercise 4.3. In first Roman, add the following. See that second sum 9 hectometers, 5 decameters, 9 meters, 8 decameters, 8 meters and 6 hectometers, 5 decameters, 2 meters. Then they given here 3 units, hectometers, decameters and meters. First you write the given units. What are that? Hectometer, decameter, meter. Okay, these three are there. You take it as columns. Then in first number 9 hectometers, 5 decameters, 9 meters. So 9 you write in hectometers column. Okay. Then next 5 you write in decameters column and 9 again in meters column. Okay, in second one 8 decameters and 8 meters. So 8 we have to write in decameters column and again another 8 we need to write in meters column. Next one 6 hectometers, 5 decameters and 2 meters. So 6 we need to write in hectometers column and 5 in decameters, 2 in meters. Then what we have to do here? Addition. Okay, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 2, 19. So 19 you need to write here. Okay, then 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. Directly you write 18 here. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15. What we get here? Total length 15 hectometers, 18 decameters, 19 meters. If you want to convert into meters, which units we have to convert here? Hectometers and decameters. Already we know that units. Kilometers, hectometer, decameter, meter. Later decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. We are converting the standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? Meters. Kilometers are not there here. Hectometer is there. How many meters are there in hectometer? How many meters are there in hectometer? Here we are doing the 10 2 times, 10 into 10. So 100 meters. 1 hectometer equals to 100 meters. Then 15 into 100 plus here decameters. How many decameters? Meters are there. How many meters are there in decameter? 10. So 18 into 10. Already that 19 is there in meters only. So you add. Do you understand? First you multiply by 100 this hectometers and decameters. Here this is the meters only, you leave like that. 15 into 100, 1500 plus 18 times 180. 1500 plus 180 plus 90. Okay, then you write that answer here 009. So what we get here? 9. Again, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Next, here 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Again 1. So what we get here? 1699 meters. Is it clear? In second Roman, subtract the following metric measures and write the different both the ways. First you do that first sum. 7 meters, 3 decimeters, 5 centimeters from 8 meters, 9 decimeters, 3 centimeters. Already we know that when we are doing that subtraction, which number is there after from that number first we have to write. Before going to that, first you write the units. Which units are there here? Meter, decimeter, centimeter. Then write these are column. Okay. Already we know subtract which number is there after from that number first you write. 8 is that meters, so you write in meters column. 9 decimeters, 9 in decimeters column. 3 centimeters, 3 in centimeters. Okay. In the same way, first number also you have to write here. 7 meters, 3 decimeters, 5 centimeters. Here 3 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 3? No. So what we have to do? Here we take 1 decimeters. You have to convert into centimeters. How many decimeters is equals to centimeters? Do you know that? Already we know meters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. Okay. Then here decimeters we have to convert into centimeters. So how many decimeters is equals to 1 centimeters? 10. Here 10 millimeters 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters 1 decimeter. So 10 centimeters 1 decimeter. We are converting 13 centimeters. 13 minus 5, 8. Here now
8 minus 3, 5 and 8 minus 7, 1.
First one is 22 kilometers. 292 meters by 7. By 7. Already we know that for every sum first you write the units. Kilometers and meters. Write the 22 in kilometers column and 292 in meters column. By which number we have to multiply here? By 7. You do multiplication separately for the meters and kilometers. 7 2s 14, 4 here and 1 is carrying. 7 9s 63 plus 1 64. 4 and 6 is carrying. 7 2s 14 plus 6 20. Okay. Next 7 2s 14. 4 and 1 is carrying. Again 7 2s 14 plus 1 15. Here what you got? 154 kilometers, 2044 meters. 2044 meters. Already we know that how many meters are there in kilometer? 1000 meters. But here 2000 meters are there. Then that is equal to 2 kilometers. Then add this 154 kilometers and the same time 2 kilometers also. Totally we got here 156 kilometers and remaining all meters, 44 meters. Is it clear? 156. Here 154 kilometers are there. Again here 2000 meters are there. 2000 meters is nothing but 2 kilometers. Then 154 plus 2, 156 kilometers and 44 meters. Okay. Like that you have to complete the third Roman sums. Okay, as they given in that capacity and weight also. How like we did in that length multiplication, like that only. Next one is divide the following. Fourth one is divide. What is the first sum? 22 centimeters and 2 millimeters by 9. Here you convert that millimeters also into centimeters. Already we know that 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter, but here 2 millimeters are there. How can we convert that? Centimeters you convert into millimeters, there you do multiplication by 10. But millimeters you are converting into centimeters, divide by 10. How many millimeters are there here? 2. So 2 by 10. 2 by 10, what is the decimal form of the 2 by 10? 0.2. Okay, 0.2. Then it becomes in a centimeter. Here already 22 centimeters plus here 0.2 centimeters. Then totally how many centimeters it's been here? 22.2 centimeters. Then you start doing division here. Okay, 22.2 you do division by 9. Already we know that normal divisions. What is the number here? 22. How many 9s are there in 22? 9 2s 18. So 2 9s are there in 22. Then 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18 is 4. Here what is there? Up to here whole number part division is completed. That's why we have to meet here, keep point. And then you take that 2 here, 42. How many 9s are there in 42? 9 4s 36, 9 5s 45. 45 is bigger number than 42. So 9 4s 36. Here 12 minus 6 is 6. If you want to do, again you do here, you take 0 here and do that remaining division, otherwise you stop here, no need. Okay. Then what we get here? Quotient 2.4 centimeters. Is it clear? Then like that you try to solve that remaining sums also. Now story sums. In page number 116, while reading the sum, you have to look and read it along with me. Okay? Read the following stories carefully and solve them. Akshit's height is 1 meter 8 centimeters. His sister is 3 centimeters shorter than him. What is his sister's height in meters? What is his sister's height in meters? Akshit's height 1 meter 8 centimeters. His sister's height 3 centimeters. Okay. Then what we have to find here? What is his sister's height in meters? Shorter than him, they given no 3 centimeters shorter than him. So what is the height of his sister? Do you know that? Akshit's height is 1 meter 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters shorter than that height. So what we have to do here? Subtraction. 1 meter 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. Then what is the height of his sister? 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters is 5 centimeters. So 1 meter 5 centimeters is the height of Akshit's sister. Okay. That is they asked in meters. So centimeters you convert into meters. Then add that 1 meter plus 5 centimeters in meters. What is the word statement for 1 meter and 8 centimeters? Whose height is that? Akshit's height. Height of Akshit's. 1 meter 8 centimeters. They given here 3 centimeters shorter than his height. So what is that height of his sister? One meter 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. First you convert these meters also in centimeters. 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters plus 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. 100 plus 8, 108 minus 3. 108 minus 3 is 105 centimeters. They asked in meters this height. So we have to convert this centimeters into meters. What we have to do here? Divided by 100. Then 1 meter and 5 centimeters. Only 100 is there in 105. That's why we have 1 meter. And what is that remaining number, leftover number, that is centimeters. So 1 meter centimeter, 5 centimeters is the height of his sister. Is it clear? Now second story, sir. A jar contains 70 liters of juice. The juice is poured into glasses, each of capacity 150 milliliters. How many glasses can be completely filled with the juice, and how much juice would be left in the jar? A jar contains 70 liters of juice. What is the capacity of jar? 70 liters. Okay. The juice is poured into glasses. They poured the juice into glasses. Each of capacity 150 milliliters. The capacity of each glass is 150 milliliters. Now how many glasses can be completely filled with the juice? How many glasses can be completed with the juice? Each glass capacity is 150 milliliters. But what is the capacity of juice there? 70 liters. Here milliliters and liters is there. Wherever we do that, either multiplication or division, we have to convert that equal units. Here liters and milliliters is there. Then we have to convert that liters also into milliliters. Then you have to do here division. Okay. Then we can know that how many glasses filled with that juice. Okay. Let us write the word statement for that first number. What is the first number here? 70 liters. What is that 70 liters? Juice. That's why what is the word statement for that? What is the word statement for that? Capacity of a jar. Capacity of a jar. 70 liters. Then what they given here? The juice is poured into glasses. Each glass capacity is 150 milliliters. So the capacity of each glass is capacity of each glass. How much is it? 150 milliliters. Already I told you, we have to equal the units. This is the liters and milliliters. You convert into milliliters, this one. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters, like that 70 liters. So 70 into 1000, 70,000 milliliters. Is it clear? Then how many glasses of juice will be left in the jar, they asked. But how many glasses we filled, first you find it. Okay. So further, what is the word statement? Number of glasses filled with juice. Number of glasses filled with juice. And what we have to do here? Division. 70,000 milliliters is divided by 150 milliliters. Okay. If you want to do in the short form, write that fraction form of this division. 70,000 by 150. First you cancel that zeros. Later you cancel with 15. 15 ones, 15 5s, 75 is there. That's why we have to take here 15 fours. 15 fours is 60. Then 10 is there, 100. Again 15 6s, 90. 15 7s, 105. That's why 15 6s, 90. Again 110 is there, 100. Again 15 6s, 90. Like that it is coming. So how much is filled with these glasses? 466 glasses are filled with juice. How much juice is left here? Still 10 we get remainder, no? So 10 milliliters juice is left. Okay? 466 glasses are filled with juice. How much juice is left here? 10 milliliters juice is left. Okay? Like that you try to solve that remaining two story sums. Okay children? Thank you.